Mambo, kwa majina naitwa Kaiza Alexandro na karibuni kwa channel yangu. Channel kwa Kiswahili nini? My name is Kaiza Alexandro and I'm a mother. I have an 8-month-old son and my goal is to teach him Swahili and hopefully that to the point where Swahili becomes one of his main languages. I would like him to be fluent in Swahili. So stay tuned and join us on this journey. So why do I want to teach him Swahili? The first thing is I'm a fluent Swahili speaker. I was born in Kenya and it's one of those countries where Swahili is a national language. And I love the language. I think it's one of the most beautiful languages in the world. If not most, but I may be biased. Anyway, I love the language and I think that it would be beneficial for Orie to know it as well. I have already been facing a lot of challenges trying to teach Orie Swahili, and the main one is that I live in a non-Swahili speaking country. Everyone around Orie is an English speaker, including his father. So I am the only one who speaks Swahili to him. And therefore, if I'm not speaking in Swahili to him, then there's no other way that he can practice this skill. And that's just one of the many challenges I'm facing at the moment. So the reason why I started this channel is to document my journey and share it with countless of other parents out there who I'm very sure are struggling as much as I am. Now, I will try as much as I can to post a video every week, but to begin with, I will aim for 2 to 3 videos a week. I mean, what? 2 to 3 videos a month, and then from there, I will continue and hopefully be more consistent. I'm a new mom, I'm a first-time mom, but I will try my best. Another thing I would like to apologize for is I have a cold. I was going to postpone filming this, but I decided not to because I've been putting it off for a while now, to be honest, and I think that the longer I wait, the chances are I wasn't going to do it. So just jumped in both feet, and then that's the expression. Anyway, please keep watching, subscribe, and hit the like button. Everybody says that on YouTube. I feel like I have to say it on YouTube. Subscribe.